You always want to start by picking out the best mascara formulation and brush shape. The formulation and brush shape will be responsible for the type of look and effect that you get in your application. Because this look is so soft, and I didn't use a liner, I'm using a very black mascara that will bring out the lashes and the eyes a little more, especially because my model's eyes are so blue. By adding a little more of the darker color, it will really illuminate her eye color. Right now I'm using a brush to clean up any of the fallout from the mascara and shadow. This helps me clean my work before it sets and dries. I always start the mascara process on the bottom lashes because I find that you can eliminate a lot of smudges. When you use the mascara on the top lid, it tends to hit the eyes much more, especially if your model's lashes are very long. You will definitely be grateful when you don't have to clean up so much later. By having her look up allows the bottom lashes to be applied cleanly. By having her look down, I can emphasize having proper coverage on the lashes. I use my thumb and thumbnail as a guide when applying mascara because when I pull her eyes up, the wand or lash will hit my nail instead of her eyelid. I don't like using the wand as much like a side-to-side motion. I actually prefer to pull upward. I find that pulling up, it gives more coverage to each lash. Tips: product and tools. Find the right formulation and wand for the effect you want to accomplish. Direct your model. Always have your model look the opposite direction to where you are working with the wand on the lash. Bottom lashes. Always start on the bottom lashes first to eliminate smudges. Motion. I like to use my wand going up and down, giving each lash a full coverage. Dark mascara. I always use a very dark mascara on softer looks to achieve the best payout.